Draw a cute pumpkin for Halloween. This is just on a rough layer. If you're drawing on paper, just sketch lightly. We'll draw this vertical oval and actually gonna make it a little smaller. Okay, this is the center of the piece. So then just on the other side, let's come out a bit and we'll sketch it on the other side, looping in like this, and come down and tuck it under the bottom. And we're just gonna do this exact same shape over here on the other side. Like so. Now we're gonna draw a horizontal line for where its eyes will be, and where this crosses right here, we're just gonna draw a circle for one eye and a circle for the other eye. Let's actually make these a little bit bigger. Cute eyes tend to be bigger. And I'm just gonna draw in a guide for where the highlight will be. Okay, then we'll sketch in some little eyelashes here. Come to the other side, sketch in some little cute eyelashes. And then about where there's like, imagine a visible line connecting the eyes, we're just gonna draw a cute little smile. And then add some blushies. On both cheeks. Now, we're gonna come up here and draw the little pumpkin stem. And just imagine like a swirling wave. It just swirls like a paisley. And then let's draw some vines coming out. Okay, I like that one. On another layer, I'm gonna do the line work, make it just a little bit nicer. After you draw on the line work and color it in, you can add some highlights. So I'm just drawing some simple cell shaded highlights in the same direction as the highlights on the eyes, just to make it pop a little. Don't have to do anything too crazy, just a little something to make it slightly less flat. Kind of reminds me of Ponyo, the Studio Ghibli movie. The cell shading on that movie is so glossy looking, the way they draw the fish. Love that movie. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other drawing tutorials on my channel. See ya!